Hello everyone and welcome to the review of the Ortur Obsidian 3D printer. Before we jump straight into the prints, let's go through the basics of this 3D printer. The Ortur Obsidian has a print volume of 250 by 250 mm on the X and Y, 300 mm on the Z, which provides a large volume with a small footprint that does not take up a lot of space. The Obsidian comes with a dual Z-axis setup that allows the X gantry to move more efficiently and consistently compared to a single axis printer. It has a direct dual drive extruder with a reverse Bowden tube setup to route the filament from the spool located at the back through the inline filament runout detection. The dual drive extruder is excellent for grabbing filament and feeding the hot end, especially when printing with a softer, more flexible material like TPU. The printer has a responsive touchscreen on the unit's base, which is very easy to use and user-friendly. On the left of the machine, we have one micro SD card or USB connection to connect to a computer. To make things easy for beginners or advanced users, the Ortur Obsidian includes an inductive auto-leveling probe, which will probe the heat bed in 25 points and make sure that your first layer is perfectly leveled. The build plate comes with a glossy sticker which allows the print to stick well to the surface, and the build plate itself is non-removable. The machine wiring has two ribbon cables which keeps everything tidy and neat. The Obsidian has belt tensioners on the X and Y axis, allowing you to tighten the belts very easily. An added nice feature to the machine is that the extruder has a nozzle on the side that makes jogging filament into extruder very easy when you replace filament. This allows you to purge old filament without having to use the menu interface. The parts cooling fan on the Obsidian is a large blower fan which cools the prints very well. To assemble and set up the printer, Ortur has done a complete video setup available on YouTube to guide you step by step. Now let's talk about the essential part, and that is how does it print. I've been running this machine for a whole week and this is the prints that I've got. Overall, this printer is excellent and I look forward to using this in future projects. I hope this video was helpful, and for more tech related videos, please consider subscribing to the channel and I will see you in the next video.